Hi there. In the first section of this course, we've covered a lot of ground, and we've learned a lot about perspective. However, perspective is not the only pillar in photo manipulation, so using it on its own is not enough to make your composites look awesome. If we want to create some really impressive artworks, we need to apply the three pillars. So with that in mind, let's jump on to the second pillar of photo manipulation. In this second section, we'll be talking about light. Make sure you've watched section 1 first, as otherwise you won't be able to follow everything that we'll be covering in this second section. So what is light? In physics, light is a type of energy that can be detected by the human eye. This form of electromagnetic radiation exists in tiny energy packets called photons. Light reflects off objects and allows us to see the things around us. But we're not here for a lecture in the physics of light. Although we will need some basic understanding, the real question is, what is light in photo manipulation, and how does it affect our artworks? Light is one of the most important aspects in photo manipulation, and that's why it's one of the three pillars. Light determines the colors, the shadows, and basically everything you can see in an artwork. With a shadow in the wrong direction, a composite would look unbalanced and confuse the viewer. Light also helps to create depth and make an artwork look more three-dimensional. Well, let's face it, without light, an image would look solid black. So you can already see the importance of light in photo manipulation. And implementing what we'll be learning in this section, together with what we've covered in section 1, will help you shoot or choose the right images for your artwork and move you another step closer to reaching your ultimate goal of becoming a world-class photo manipulation artist. Let's do a quick run-through of what we'll be covering in this section. In lesson 1, we'll talk about the 4 types of light, the difference between them, and where and how we can use them. Then in lesson 2, we discuss the direction of light and why this is important to make realistic composites. In lesson 3, we'll go into detail about ambient light and how it can affect our artworks. Then, in lesson 4, we dive into shadows. This is probably what photo manipulators struggle with the most. But we'll go through it step by step and master it. And finally, in lesson 5, we'll work on the tryout, where we'll take what we've learned in this section and apply it to our artwork.